Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this original with LED kit to our SB series LED kit. This SB series actually is designed for the LCD screen that originally equipped with LED strips, because usually the original LED strip cannot produce enough brightness. So if your application want to use outdoor, then you have to go by upgrade to SB, or if your original LED strip is bad and driver is bad, it's the best time to upgrade SB instead of buying a new screen. Okay, let's take a look at screen LED kit. One SB series LED kit, strip, one driver with wire adapters. So basically, you just disconnect your existing inverter wire harness here and connect it here. All right. So let's take a look at the screen set aside. This screen's made by SVA. The screen part number is TM121SDS01. TM121SDS01. Okay. The LED strip is mounted here. Let's do the comparison here. I have a controller kit that is ready. Okay. Because this screen has a built-in LED driver, so I do have a correct wire harness which is connected here. Alright, it has a built-in. So let me fire up my color generator so we can kind of actually look at the difference. Alright, so alright, you see it? $491.19. $492.24. $490.6. Okay, so let's say 490 with original LED strips. So we're gonna shut it off. Disconnect it and set it aside. To remove LED strip is pretty easy. First, you disconnect this LED strip connectors here, and then you tilt up this tip a little bit, kind of get around. See that? And then here there's one tiny screwdriver. Screws. You need to remove it. After you remove it, it just slides out. Check it out here. Okay. Grab the wire. You see this? Alright. So make sure it's clean. It's very easy, like I say. It's almost exactly the same dimension. You just slice right back. The easiest way. The laziest way. You can see that? Slice right. You don't even need to peel off the double side tip. Okay? And then you put it back like this. Well, we just finished the install the LED strips. So this one you can connect to either end. Okay, then you can peel off double side tip. You can mount it any way you want to. So let's connect it back to the controller kit that we tested before and see what's the difference. Okay, so because this one used to connect here, right now we're using our SB series, so you can just connect to here. Right, back. Connect to VGA. Oops. Connect power supply. Oh, right. 7 meters. Okay, 7 meters. All right. $12.51. 1253, 1251. Let's say 1251. So with the original strip, it's about 490. With our SP, it's a little bit more than double. So, and then the good thing is that it's fairly easy to replace. Okay, thank you for watching.